Man, if you've ever been deep in the wild, dust on your boots, sun cooking your back, you know one thing's a total pain: finding clean, pressurized water when you need it most. Whether it's for a quick rinse, washing gear, or taking a camp shower, a reliable pressurized tank is a real game changer. Today, we're checking out the best pressurized water tanks for overlanding. All product links are in the video description, so don't forget to check them out after the vid. Let's kick it off with number 5. Tecoom Pressurized Water Tank. This beast brings tech and convenience together. With its built-in electric self-pressurizing pump powered by your vehicle's 12-volt outlet, you get steady water flow without breaking a sweat. The hidden telescopic hose extends up to 5 meters and stays protected from sunlight damage. It's tough too, made from durable PE material with an anti-wave plate for stability and anti-theft aluminum locks. Perfect for showers, gear rinses, or cleaning your ride after a long trail, the Tecoom makes it effortless and rugged. Next up, number 4. VEVOR Roof Rack Water Tank. This one takes the crown for its balance of design, build, and features. The all-aluminum tank holds 8 gallons, and that's 30 liters, and heats naturally under the sun. It's got a temperature sticker for instant water checks, stabilizing splash guards to reduce sloshing, and a dual nozzle system for showers or rinsing. You can safely pressurize it using an air hand pump, and the automatic pressure relief valve prevents overpressure. Mounting's a breeze with its T-slot design and included plates for roof racks or crossbars. It's efficient, sturdy, and made for serious overlanders who value reliability and clean water anytime, anywhere. Sliding in at number 3, Yakima RoadShower. This bad boy blends toughness with top-notch engineering. With a 4-gallon capacity and welded aluminum body, it's made to handle abuse on rocky trails. The dual outlet ports let you access water from either end, and the pressure relief valve keeps things safe at 55 pounds per square inch. It pressurizes easily with a Schrader air valve or garden hose. Super versatile. Plus, the SKS locking system means no one's walking away with your gear. Compact, rugged, and sleek. Perfect for weekend warriors who like a clean finish on every trip. Rolling on to number 2. WaterPORT Weekender. This one's a solid pick for folks who want reliable pressurized water without overcomplication. It's an 8-gallon tank made from food-grade plastic, meaning it's safe for drinking and rinsing. You can fill it with a garden hose or air it up with your compressor. Its black surface naturally warms the water, giving you a decent camp shower by sunset. Comes with a 16-foot hose and a powerful spray nozzle. Ideal for rinsing off salt, mud, or gear grime after a day of fun. The mounting kit fits most platform roof racks, making it a favorite for overland rigs and SUVs. Finally, number 1, Necaces. Aluminum Pressurized Water Tank. This thing's built like a tank, literally. The all-aluminum body with a black powder coat finish is leak-proof and corrosion-resistant. It delivers serious pressure, up to 450 kilopascals, higher than most tanks out there. Dual outlets on both ends and a 7-speed shower nozzle give you flexibility on the go. The only catch? You'll need your own air pump to pressurize it. But once it's up and running, you've got a clean, heated water supply thanks to solar warming. Perfect for campers, off-roaders, and even washing your pup after a muddy day. So that's the lineup, folks. 5 killer options to keep your adventures fresh, clean, and convenient. Whether you need full-on electric pressurization, lightweight aluminum durability, or something solar heated for those longer hauls, there's a setup here for every kind of explorer. Don't forget, all links are down in the video description, so hit them up to grab your favorite. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, drop a comment about your overlanding rig, and make sure to subscribe for more gear guides and real-world trail reviews. Stay wild, stay clean, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.